This is a model of the liver from our torso. The liver is a large organ that sits in the upper right quadrant of the abdominal cavity. We know that its two major functions are to filter the blood and also to produce bile. If we flip this over, we still have our large right lobe over here, our left lobe of the liver on the other side. This square-shaped lobe is called the quadrate lobe, so quad for square, and this longer, thin lobe, more in the middle, is called the caudate lobe. Caudal refers to tail, so it looks almost like a tail in the liver. Since a major function of the liver is to produce bile, let's talk about these vessels. The bile is produced by the hepatocytes inside the liver tissue, which then moves into the bile ductules at the edge of each of the hepatic lobules. The bile ductules then converge into the right and left hepatic ducts. The right and left hepatic ducts converge into the common hepatic duct. The common hepatic duct then dumps into the duodenum through a vessel here called the bile duct. If any of the bile backs up or is not needed, it backs up in the bile duct up into the cystic duct, which then delivers that excess bile into the gallbladder for storage. When the gallbladder needs to secrete bile, smooth muscle around this gallbladder will contract, bile will be squeezed down into the cystic duct, dump into the bile duct, and make its way into the duodenum. You also have three blood vessels here. This is the inferior vena cava. The purple vessel is the hepatic portal vein, which is delivering oxygen-poor but nutrient-rich blood into the liver, and you also have the hepatic vein, which is hepatic artery, which is delivering oxygen-rich blood to the liver tissue.